Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. What is your problem? I am feeling weak and tensed most of the night. It is a common problem nowadays. What do you do? I work as the manager in a private company. I think this is due to your way of life, habits and heavy workload. Way of life, habit. You mean? Yeah, I hope so. You smoke, don't you? I do, doctor. I think rather heavily. About 10 to 12 a day, I suppose. You must try your best to stop this. Sir, I have tried several times, but all in vain. 10 to 12 is overdue. You must cut it down slowly. It's easy to say, doctor, but very difficult it is. There is no other option for you. Okay, sir, I must take sincere and real effort. That's good. And go for a walk after dinner, for your sound sleep. Thank you, sir. Anything else, sir? Well, never have heavy dinner. That I will do. Then can I be tension-free? Why not? But you have to give up smoking completely. Your weakness will be removed. Just try and see. I promise I must try. I hope so. I am prescribing some medicines to decrease weakness. Take it regularly. Thank you very much for your valuable and timely advice, sir. It's our duty. But don't forget your promise. Never, sir. Bye for now. Bye and take care.